friends, welcome back to my channel, Dr. Cholos Vlog for Kali exercise. Anyway, let's have this lesson 20 as one of the projects that we need to accomplish after learning all the lessons. So we had 1 to 19 lessons and we covered most of the basic moves, strikes, blocks, and parry patterns in Kali. And it's about time that we should be able to do some sequences on our own. So one of the things we need to develop is creativeness as well. Okay, so there are some pointers with regards to how we do sequences in Kali. Okay, let's make things simple first. Okay, so lesson 20 would be a project you probably should be able to do if you have followed my lessons from 1 to 19. So the 20 lessons, after learning all possible basic moves and strikes in Kali, you need to be able to accomplish some sequences, okay? Do some sequences. Okay, but I need to give you some tips how to do sequences, okay? You may, first of all, you may use any of the patterns. No need for thinking. You only need to understand the patterns. Okay, number two, that it has to represent both sides, meaning to say it should be symmetrical. If you do a pattern here on the left, you have to do it likewise on the right. And number three, it must not be more than 2 minutes. That's all, okay? And it should be relevant as well, okay, to the moves that we are using. So here goes. Let me do this impromptu, okay? I thought about the moves, but I would like to show you how I do it. So I'm facing the camera, and let me do it, okay? I'll be using the stop, okay? Stop. And then a ready position. And then on one side, on the right side, I'm going to do the bolo spin, okay? And the assisted slash. Okay, and then I'm going to do a cross strike, okay, and then a vertical strike, a cross leg, continuing with the inverted 8, a horizontal strike, then a scratch the back, okay, scratch the back, a cross in front leg, and a vertical strike. Then we do the symmetrical bolo spin, okay, the assisted strike, and then cross leg, do the same, the inverted 8, then and a stab. This is reciprocating the stab in the first move, okay? And then we have stab, stab. Okay, then we have. So that's the whole move. Let me show you.